Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW, Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. We just want to do a recap last week's trades. So right here, we got it all marked up. We did it before we did it. So earlier in the beginning of the week, I saw this crown pattern on the daily chart, so I knew that we wanted to drop. Monday, I woke up to an ABCD-like pattern. Buyer's liquidity was never fully grabbed above that right shoulder at 950 support. So this is what we did on Monday. Monday, usually when I see an ABCD pattern, buyer's liquidity usually wants to be grabbed, but since there is no impulses, usually it does pull back to the levels first. So once we saw the bull trap above this level right here, we took the short down to that crown low right there. So overall, we did call that short opportunity, but it didn't set up until London session on Monday night. So we missed that 100 pip short opportunity, which was pretty hard for my psychology to handle. So we woke up on Tuesday, kind of had to adapt because I was kind of frustrated that we missed such a big move. You know, this thing dropped from here to here. As you can see, that is a 180 pip move, so that could really screw up your psychology. But we still got it because we know how to react with impulse waves. So, we went with the trend, right? We took a short over here from 1.35500 down to 1.35300 for 20 pips, and then we knew that once sellers were exhausted, there was a crown forming on like a 5-minute chart. We bought to that right shoulder, we took another 20 pip buy, and then usually when I see impulse waves like this, there's usually a bull trap, a bear trap, and then price will usually continue in the direction it wants to go. So we tried to take another short there. Once price rallied a bit, I panicked, because I was taking multiple positions. Usually when I take multiple positions, I start to, think a little differently. Usually on that third trade, we took a 5 pip loss on that third trade, is what it is. So then, the day continued, right? So then Wednesday came, right, and I thought that, we wanted to come up and retest that 1.35700 level. Price never set up. I tried sending a signal to the group, but the trade never, came back into value, so the trade was never confirmed. We didn't take any trades on Wednesday. Wednesday night, I called an opportunity on my free Telegram group. I said wait for sellers to be exhausted to buy up to that 850 resistance. We missed that opportunity too because we weren't available for that, London session, so we missed that opportunity. So Wednesday came, Thursday, this was Thursday, I saw a big impulse wave on Thursday, so I wanted to trade towards the upside, right? So when this happened, this took out this level, it never came back and retested that level, which kind of messed up my psychology, so I wasn't able to get in on that buy opportunity, even though it kept pushing up, even though I did know that we wanted to come back up to that level, because all buyers' liquidity was above that level. That 980 level, I wanted to trade towards that level, but since since it didn't pull back, I was thinking a little different, so we tried taking a short. When we got this bearish engulfing, we took a little loss there. Once the liquidity was grabbed, took a 10 pip loss, right? So then Thursday night we called this, right, because we saw this pattern starting to form on a 15-minute chart. I said that we were having this crown pattern right here. I said look for a reaction here because I thought that overall we did want to come up and retest that level. We sent the idea out to the group, to look for a reaction to this crown neck support level. We missed that opportunity as well. That was another 100 pip opportunity, which 120 pip opportunity, which was pretty brutal. Messed with my psychology again, but we did have the data of the impulse wave. So I wanted to trade towards, that 700 key level that we wanted to trade towards since Wednesday, right? So we got this bull trap and bear trap like I called on a live example, but we didn't enter this buy because of the same reason we didn't enter the buy here. It never came back and retested the level, so I missed the opportunity, right? So I tried to buy it right here thinking that, price was going to, push above that 700 liquidity. I tried buying there because I thought I wanted to push up to the 700 liquidity, right? But I was wrong. So it dropped down to here. It wanted to find more support. This was kind of a psychological mistake on my end because I missed the opportunity here. I should have entered there. There was a trend line there, but I didn't, because, I was thinking that we were going to drop down to here. So Friday, they really fucked me. So we tried to buy there. We lost there. I think we lost like 10 pips on the trade. Then we saw that bull trap above that 700 key level. Then took 20 pips on the short. So we made a little bit of money back on that trade. But overall, this was a very hard week. We missed a lot of opportunities. We had to adapt to a lot of trends, but as you can see, we still came up on top. But that's why risk management is key, because some weeks are going to be tough. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, motivate us to put this content out. Just want to put these little recaps, that way you guys could learn with me, and we just rock. Let's get it.